What's in your granola bars? Today we're talking about what is in those granola bars as you struggle to find healthy snacks to send the kids off to school. Hi, my name is Sue Ann Hickey. I'm a naturopath and creator of Body Typology, System for Lasting Weight Loss. So many of your granola bars have so many hidden sugars, and they're really just chocolate bars in disguise, right? There is Quaker chewy granola bars that have an apple fruit crumble because the website will tell you it's so hard to bring an apple on the go. Say what? Last time I checked, it's pretty easy to bring an apple along. And if you look at the ingredients, sugar is mentioned in many shapes and forms: sucrose, glucose, rice syrup, all the things. It's mentioned 10 times. So another granola bar that's supposed to be healthy is your Cliff Bar, right? This is the chocolate almond fudge, and you can easily check how much sugar is in by looking at the ingredients, and this one says 20 grams of sugar. So you must know that 4 grams of sugar is the equivalent of 1 teaspoon of sugar. So you can easily know that this contains the equivalent of 5 teaspoons of sugar in one bar. Too much. There must be something better. What I've been doing is making my own homemade granola bars. They're not hard to make. I usually make a double batch. They're filled with delicious, nutritious ingredients, sweetened with maple syrup. There is oats, there's sesame tahini, there's even carrots hidden here. Your kids will never know. Raisins if you like, walnuts are optional. You can use a healthy flour like kamut flour if you can find it. And these will keep you satisfied so long. I make these all the time. Wrap them individually, keep them in the freezer, take one out at the beginning of the day. You're good to go. If you're a little bit too busy to get the granola bars together, you can always give them a fruit or some raisins or dried fruit, or one of my favorite other go-tos is trail mix. So add in some almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, whatever kind of things you like. Skip the yogurt covered nuts and things that are high in sugar. Make a healthy trail mix with bulk vitamins. Throw it in a bowl, mix it up, and then keep it in little individualized packages, perfect for a snack on the go. So I hope this helps. I will send you the link either above or below for my homemade granola bars, and you can make them at home for your kids and yourself. Like and follow for more tips, and be sure to jump on my newsletter. I have a toolkit for jumpstart your weight loss. There is a healthy alternatives food list. There is a 3-day healthy meal plan that's kid-friendly, and also a guided meditation to overcome emotional eating. Thanks for watching and have a great day.